This is a brand new elevator.
Sam, that would if they would have put a glass elevator 900.
Oh, that would.
Here at Chops North Bridge, here in Chicago.
Sam, did you hear what I said?
Yeah, they could have.
This one nearly broke
I wish they did.
Oh yeah, this one's really it's death trappy.
Death trap.
Death trappy.
Death trap.
It's done some weird shit with me on it.
I mean, are you sure this is?
Come on.
Come on, elevator.
Oh,
It's too loud.
you're too loud.
Stop it.
Oh, that's lovely.
We're gonna surround everyone. You're not getting out here, bitch.
There's someone in here. Here's us.
Sorry.
No, no worries.
That's lovely. Oh, new Series 4.
Yep.
The new Series 4.
Let's see, it's a, yeah, I drove it.
Trying to frighten them now. There we go.
Holy shit.
That was weird. Sam.
Next time, be quiet.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
All right, we're gonna go back down and make a silent round trip until you shut up.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
There's Alex.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Are we getting out?
Do you want to stay in here?
Yeah, I'm staying here.
I think you did, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get out.
Wait, Alex, meet us at the Marriott, okay?
I know. I can't. Sam, move out of the way.
Sorry. All of us have.
Jay, let's head over to... Have you been to the Marriott, Jay?
I'm gonna film this thing anyway.
Have you been to the Marriott?
The Marriott, man, yeah, I haven't filmed there in a while.
Wow, those are so fun, though.
The one time I filmed them, they were so busy.
Oh my god, yes, they're so fun, though.
Yeah. I literally have to stop on every floor on the way down.
This is so loud.
The water tower place on
For Sam.
independent service.
Oh,
Those
yeah.
are fun.
And here we have the ground floor. And I guess that is going to be it.